Hi everybody, it's Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie to bring you these beautiful crochet tutorials. We got necklaces slash chokers. They are beautiful. I did a Halloween one, orange and black. Added the beads. And then I did a pretty two-tone pink one with beads. You can add whatever you want or nothing for the strands at the end that tie together. Totally your call, but we're going to dive into this. So let's have some fun. Okay, let's have some fun. We're going to be using 4-ply 100% cotton, any colors that you want, and a 4mm crochet hook. So we're going to make a slip knot, but we're going to leave a nice tail. Okay, there we go. And do your slip knot. There you go. And then bring that tail all the way up and through. There you go. And form a knot. Do not tie this really tight or you're not going to be able to get through it. Now this long tail that we'll be using later, I'm going to form just a very, very loose knot. That way it doesn't get in my way of crocheting. Okay. So we're going to turn this so you can see that loop. We're going to use the bottom loop right there. We're going to be working with the opposite color of the bottom loop. So you're going to chain it through just like that. Now we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now we're going to go back to the bottom and use that other strand of the color that we're working with. Remember, this loop's on your hook. Go through the bottom strand, drop that one, and pick up the other color. Yarn over and bring it through. Now we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to snug up, and then we're going to slip stitch right through. And again, chain 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to drop that. See at the bottom where your last chain was? We're going to be going through those loops. So go through that side and go through the other side. 1 loop each. Yarn over and come through. Now chain 6. Remember that loop's still there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Then you slip stitch through. And let's repeat. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you go down. The last 2 joined. You're working those slip stitches, those chains. 1 and 2. Drop that one and pick up your other color and pull through. Now chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After your chain of 6, pull through, snug it up, and then chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you're done and keep repeating this. Go ahead down to those 2 chains. Drop that color. Bring that up and pull through. And then you start with this one, chain 6. And there you go. And then you're gonna slip stitch through. Tighten that up and chain 6. So do this for as long as you want your project. I did 11 loops on all my others, so I'm going to do 11 on this, so I'll be back. Okay, I got all my loops done, and after we stretch it out it will be fine. So here's my last one. I'm going to pull through. Okay, snug up. I'm going to chain 1 on that color, then I'm going to chain 1 on the other color. Leave a tail, cut, and pull that last one through to make sure. There we go. Now, totally up to you what you want to do. Let me find my darning needle. Okay, I have my darning needle. Make sure to fit through the beads. I'm a purple kind of girl, so I am going to go with my bright silver. And then purple. And put on as many beads as your heart desires. Few, many, whatever you want to do, any order, anything. So let me do that. Okay, I ended up with 10 beads on here, so I'm pulling it all through, pulling off my darning needle. Now remember, you need length to be able to overlap this to keep it on your neck. So give yourself some room. So I am going to tie just a regular knot. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut pretty close to the knot. Do the same thing on the other side. And as soon as I'm done those both sides, I am going to dab some hot glue here and then some hot glue here, so the very first bead gets glued so it doesn't push down on this knot. And then I'll be back. Can we just talk about how beautiful this is? This is absolutely, without a doubt, absolutely stunning. And it is such a beginner friendly project. I love it. Absolutely love it. Well, I am Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie to bring you these beautiful crochet tutorials. Until next time, guys, it is always a work in progress.